The cleaning service. Hello, please come in.
Hi, I'm from the cleaning service.
Nice to meet you. I'm Julian, the owner.
Nice to meet you, too. What do you want me to clean today?
A regular cleaning of the whole apartment.
Okay, how many rooms are there?
2 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, and 1 bathroom.
Do you want me to do the windows, too?
Yes, please. They are very dirty.
And the oven or the fridge?
The oven? Yes. The fridge? No.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, a cat, but he's quiet.
No problem. The cleaning takes about 3 hours.
Sounds good. How much is it?
$50 for 3 hours.
I'll pay cash. Okay?
Okay, should I start with the kitchen and the bathroom?
Yes, they are the dirtiest.
Then I'll clean the bedrooms and the living room.
Perfect. I'll stay here working if you need me.
Thank you. If I have a question, I'll ask you.
Very good. Thanks for coming so fast.
You're welcome. We'll leave the apartment nice and clean.
The plumber.
Hello, is anyone available?
Good morning. This is Mike's Plumbing. What can I do for you?
My bathroom sink is clogged. Water won't go down at all.
How long has this been happening?
About 2 days now. It's getting really bad.
Did you try any drain cleaner?
Yes, but nothing worked.
I understand. When are you available?
I'm free this afternoon.
I have an opening at 2:30. Does that work?
Yes, that's perfect.
What's your address?
47 Oak Avenue, apartment 5C.
5th floor? Any elevator?
Yes, it's working fine.
Great. The service call starts at $45.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, all major cards.
Should I do anything before you arrive?
Just don't pour anything else down the drain.
Okay, I won't touch it.
See you at 2:30 then.
Thank you very much.
The locksmith. Yes, hello. How can I help you?
I lost my keys and I can't get inside my apartment.
Oh, I see. Are you at your door now?
Yes, I'm standing in the hallway.
I can send a locksmith in about 30 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
I need your address, please.
8 Moon Street, 4th floor, apartment C.
Is there an elevator in the building?
Yes, there is.
Great. It costs $60 to open the door.
I'll pay cash.
Do you have something to prove you live there?
Yes, I have my ID and the lease on my phone.
Good. Please show them to the locksmith when he arrives.
I'll get them ready.
Is it a regular door or a security door?
A regular door.
Okay, that will be faster.
Will the locksmith call me before he comes?
Yes, he'll call when he's nearby.
Very good. Thanks for the info.
You're welcome. We're here to help.
What a relief. See you soon.
See you soon. The moving service.
Hello, is this the moving service?
Yes. Hello. I'm with the truck.
I'm Anna. I called yesterday.
Nice to meet you, Anna. What do we need to move?
One sofa, 2 beds, a table, and some boxes.
Okay. Is everything ready?
Yes, it's all by the door.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, but it's small.
No problem. We'll use the stairs.
How much is the service?
$120 for everything.
I'll pay cash.
Very good. Do you have any fragile furniture?
Yes, the glass table.
We'll be careful.
Thanks. The new apartment is 15 Sunshine Street.
Perfect. I'll write it down.
Can I ride in the truck?
Yes, of course.
Great. Then I'll arrive too.
Okay, let's load the sofa first.
All right, I can help a little.
Thanks. That will be faster.
Thanks a lot for everything.
You're welcome. Let's get started.
Roadside assistance. Hello, is this roadside assistance?
Yes. Hello. How can I help you?
My car won't start.
Where are you exactly?
20 Sunshine Street near the park.
What's the problem with the car?
I turned the key and nothing happened.
Is it a big car or a small one?
Small, white?
Okay. I'll bring the right tow truck.
How long until you get here?
About 30 minutes.
All right, I'll wait here.
I need your name.
Rosemary.
Thank you, Miss Rose. Do you have your insurance card?
Yes, I have it with me.
Please show it to the driver when he arrives.
Yes, no problem.
Do we take the car to your usual garage?
Yes, please.
Are you alone right now?
Yes, I'm alone on the street.
Don't worry. Just leave the car where it is.
Yes, it's parked with the brake on.
Perfect. I'll be there soon.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. That's our job.